channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a very fast and easy bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. These are perfect for the large family events, and it also happens to be my husband's favorites. So if you guys want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. As always, we have to start with our ingredients, and the ingredients we need for this recipe are, of course, your jalapenos, and depending on how many you are serving, that depends on how many jalapenos you're going to use. For me, it's just me, my husband, and probably my son, so these will be enough. And we're also going to need some cheddar cheese. We're only going to need about 4 ounces, and some cream cheese. This one I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and of course your bacon. So let's get started, you guys. I'm prepping this delicious bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. Okay, so I already washed my jalapenos, so we're just gonna cut them into halves and make them like into little boats like that. So that's what I'm gonna do to all of them. And then, of course, you have to devein them. Take everything out. Just like that, and take all the seeds. So we have to do that to all of them. And that's what they should look like. And then since we are gonna put them in the oven, make sure that you have your oven set to 400 degrees. So make sure that's on. Okay. So now we're just gonna work on our filling. Put them in there. Make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature, so like that you don't struggle smushing it. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my cheese. Make sure that all your cream cheese has cheddar cheese on it, since mine is still a little cold. It's a little harder. Alright, you guys, so since our cream cheese is done, now we're just gonna fill them up, our little jalapenos. So just fill them up like that, and just make sure that you know which one goes to which jalapeno, because we are gonna close them together. So we're just gonna put them like that. And then do the same thing to all of them. my poppers. So we're gonna get our bacon ready. And then we're gonna start wrapping them. And then sometimes it's gonna take about 2 bacon straps. 2 bacon strips. Just like a little mummy like that. And then start placing them. Alrighty guys, so since we already have our little jalapeno bacons ready, so we're just gonna put them in the oven. So we are gonna put them in the oven for around 25 to 30 minutes. So we're just gonna be waiting and then we'll be ready to eat them. Alrighty you guys, so we just took them out of the oven. This is what they look like. And as you can see, all that extra, it's okay. I mean, it's cheese, it's gonna happen. But we're just gonna let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's basically it. So we're just gonna wait. They smell so good though. And there you have it, you guys. Super easy and very delicious jalapeno poppers.